Hi, my name is Sydney Bell, and I'm a research coordinator at Columbia University within the School of Social Work and the Social Intervention Group, working on the Healing Community Study in New York. Here we have a sentiment analysis of social media comments on a Healing Community Study in New York communications campaign. Healing Community Study, or HCS, as we call it, is an NIH-funded multi-year community-based study testing the impact of the Communities That Heal intervention on opioid overdose deaths and associated outcomes in 67 highly impacted communities in Kentucky, Massachusetts, New York, and Ohio. The goal of the study is to reduce opioid overdose deaths by 40% in 3 years. One of the key components of the study is a series of multimedia communications campaigns in each of the communities. The first of these campaigns is focused on increasing the demand for, access to, and availability of naloxone, which is the opioid overdose reversal medication, and also to address the impact of COVID-19 on people with opioid use disorder and their family members. One of the communities, Brookhaven Township in Suffolk County in New York, noticed a high volume of comments on one of the campaign posts on Facebook. This analysis looks at the sentiment of those comments. All comments were exported by date of post, and the exports include the comment, date, time of comment, any likes or replies. All profile names were de-identified upon export. We then used NVivo12's AutoCode sentiment analysis function in AutoCode Wizard in order to assess the sentiment of the comments. The scoring system runs from very negative, moderately positive, and very positive. And comments that are found with words that are not within the sentiment range are marked as neutral. Comments that contain both positive and negative sentiment were coded as both individual sentiments as well as mixed. Out of the comments that were analyzed, the majority of them were found to have very negative sentiment, followed by moderately negative sentiment, moderately positive sentiment, and then very positive sentiment. There were also a lot of instances of neutral sentiment detected, as well as mixed sentiment. This analysis is to be used as a baseline for further inquiry into social media analytics as the Healing Community Study continues in New York. It is also recommended that a content analysis is done, or individual or group coding, in order to further dive into the content of the discussions being had in the comments, as well as the indication of stigma as marked by the high level of very negative comments. Future opportunities also lie in demographic analysis of commenters, and within the comparison of those demographics and those who are heavily impacted by opioid use disorder in the communities. So we are looking forward to continuing the work done here and utilizing this great analysis as a baseline. Thank you.